The three niches in 2025 that are going to blow up might surprise you, or they might not. Let's find out. In-demand niches that people are willing to pay for change all the time. Like, for example, a while ago, transcription services were really popular as a VA, but thanks to new technology that pretty much transcribes what people are saying in real time, those transcription services aren't quite the moneymaker that they used to be. So let's talk about in 2025, the three new niches that are emerging that you might want to consider picking up some skills in. Quick caveat. Admin skills like travel booking, like managing calendars, setting appointments, setting up meetings for people, general admin stuff is always going to be in demand. So I don't want you to think that these niches replace general admin, because that is simply not the case. But these three things are emerging as high-end niches, which means if you are specializing in one of them, you might be able to charge higher rates because you offer a little bit more than just general admin. The first one is e-commerce optimization. More and more businesses and independent sellers are shifting online. So if you're somebody that can help drive sales because you understand keywords, optimization, how to help drive traffic to their products, or even doing things like implementing strategies to make the users stay on their page a little bit longer, those are all going to be in-demand niches that clients are going to pay top dollar for. The next is email marketing. Email continues to be one of the greatest ways that people still sell products and services and retain clients. So if you, as a virtual assistant, can create and manage email campaigns, nurture their leads, and grow their list, you can also charge top dollar. This might include things like segmenting their email list, designing email templates, automating drip emails, and analyzing how their campaigns are doing. And the third niche that remains in the top three year after year is social media marketing and content creation. Now, I've talked about this in other videos before, but social media creation and marketing is different than social media management. Managing a client's social media as a virtual assistant means that your client creates all the content. They either want you to upload and schedule content and or monitor to see if anybody is replying or engaging with that. It means that you are not creating anything new. And because of that, you are probably going to charge your similar hourly rate because you're maintaining and managing, not making, if that makes sense. On the other side, social media marketers and content creators. Now, if you're moving into the category where you are creating content on your client's behalf, then you are moving into a more high-end, highly paid niche. This could mean that you are running a person, a small company, an entrepreneur, or a brand's social media. This is everything from planning their content out to creating the content, to posting. One day you might be creating graphics. One day you might be writing a blog. One day you might be editing videos. And it not only means that all of those things that you're creating are consistent with your client's brand, but they're also optimized for each individual social media channel. If you're seeing any other niches emerge, like maybe your clients are coming back with different needs or different interests, or maybe they're starting to talk to you about AI, let me know. Let me know in the comments what people are hiring you for or looking for, and share it with the whole community, because I know we're all curious to see what new trends are going to emerge in 2025. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and I'll catch you on the next one.